Hi everyone, it's me, Vacmaster 1991 again, and I'm back with the Hoover React Professional Pet. It says it has the ultimate clean automatically. It has floor sense technology, wind tunnel surge power, and no loss of suction. Professional high capacity deep cleaning power for pet owners. It has an app. I brought my phone up. Deep cleaning power, high capacity dirt cup, a 5-year warranty. It has the floor sense, so it goes from carpet to hard floors without me having to do anything. Has LED lights, quick hose attachments, rinsable filters, and it's not foam, it's like an actual filter. So I'm gonna open up this Hoover. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Welcome to a new generation of clean. Here's a dusting brush. It's nice and soft. Good for dusting. Here is instructions and a crevice tool. That's a nice crevice tool. 1 second.